Hello everyone, how's everybody doing? It's time for another exciting video from RK Loves Gadgets. And today we're going to be taking a look at this it's a DAB clock radio. So basically it's a clock radio, but it has DAB on it. So as you can see, it's on right now. And it's one of those clock radios that has DAB. So when you first plug it in, so what I'm going to do is, so basically what it is when you plug it in, it comes up with the right time. It's pretty basic looking actually. It's a nice design. So you've got, there's the time on there. And then you've got your buttons. You've got like standby, alarm 1, alarm 2, and you've got mode and a few others besides. The big one in the middle is snooze. You've got your scan and then your volume preset, and then you've got your up and down buttons. In the back, you've got the DC power input, and there's an on-off switch on here as well. And there's also a headphone socket as well, which is nice and handy. You've got an aerial on the top, on the back here. I love the design of this. It is kind of like, with the aerial, it is kind of like a one of those internet boxes, one of those internet routers. And on the back you've got a battery compartment. It takes 4 AA batteries, and this is actually quite surprising. It actually uses if you put batteries in here, this thing will actually run on batteries as well as on the mains, which is probably why it has that on-off switch on the back. So let's see what how the radio performs. So we'll turn on the radio, press the standby button. So the volume of it. And there's the radio.
Alive on the scene as everyone's gone streaming mad since switching to Virgin Media.
I think this is on. I think this is on DAB right now. So you can use the up and down buttons here to scroll through the stations, or you can use the scan feature. So you've got a bunch of some different stations. You can pull up the aerial, and it is quite long, actually. Yeah, the top bit is actually a bit loose. Pull it up, there we go. There's the aerial, fully extended. You can go through the stations.
Sale. Catch Barbara Streisand headlining Barclaycard presents British Summertime Hyde Park on July 7th. Plus, get
warranty, finance offer on Compass 1.4 longitude, 37 months, customer deposit.
And it's got pretty good sound quality as well. Yeah, some of these stations are not that well.
pre-sale now. Barclaycard Entertainment pre-sales. Never miss a beat. 90.9% representative APR variable. Subject to application.
And you've got the FM radio. Just press the mode button and that goes to FM. And you can scan through like so. Or you can press the scan button and that scrolls through your stations if you just scan. And it basically just scans through stations. And I've actually found that if you press and hold the button, you can make it scan backwards as well. You can make it scan down the band.
In 60 seconds. If you're online, you can prove it now.
Just like that. So yeah, that's what the scan button does. Classic FM. And then that's Heart FM, which is one of my favourite stations. Go back to DAB. The sound quality is actually pretty good for something this size actually. If I turn up the volume to a decent volume, you get the idea. It is pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the alarm. So you've got two alarms. See, I've not actually tried this out yet, so I'm not sure what it's like, but if I just press alarm, we'll do alarm 1, so press alarm 1, and then it's showing it's on at the moment, and so that's your hours, I think, and okay, so that's 10. Okay, and then there's the minutes. We'll set it for 10:25. Okay, and we'll go press enter again, and then you've got weekday. So I think that's you can set it from Monday to Friday. Alarm type, I think that's you've got beeper or DAB radio or FM radio, and then you've got your volume, and I think it's set to maximum, I think, and then yeah, that's on and off. So I think that might be set for 10:25. So it is pretty good. I've not tried out the alarm yet, so I'm not sure what it sounds like. I think it's set to beeper, so we'll see what the beeper sounds like. And I think it's set to maximum volume, so it might start off really quietly and gently increase, or it might come straight on really loudly. I don't know. And it has got presets as well, so but I'm not exactly sure yet how to program the presets, so I'm not sure how to do that yet. Like I said, you've got a snooze button right here. It's a nice finish as well. It's kind of like some sort of silicone plastic finish to this. Okay, you should hear it in a minute. I think I'll set it right. That's just the phone tracker in the background. There we go. You can hear it starts off quietly and gets louder. Yeah, you get the idea. That is actually really loud. It's set to maximum volume. I'll just press the standby button to stop that. So you get the idea. That is actually really good, surprisingly, for what it is. It's set to maximum volume. I think it goes up to 20. I'm not exactly sure, but you get the idea. That is actually really good. So if you're looking for a clock radio with DAB, so you can listen to all your favourite DAB stations, I think you'll be satisfied with this. I think I would highly recommend it. And it's nice that it starts off really quietly, and the volume gradually increases. So at least it won't. So at least when it goes off and you wake up to it in the morning, it's not going to blast you. It's not going to blast you out of bed like some clock radios, I would imagine, do. But you get the idea behind it. It is really good. I would highly recommend it to everyone who would like to have a DAB clock radio. And like I said, when you first power it up, the time does set itself. It does automatically set to the right time, so it sets itself. I'm not sure how it actually does that though. Whether it's some sort of whether it might be something to do with the DAB signal or anything like that. But yeah, it is really good. Really impressed with the alarm as well. Like I said, you have got presets, but I'm not exactly sure yet how to program them. And I don't know. There's the information. And I don't know what make. I can't remember what make this is, so I'll probably put that in the title and the description for you. And like I said, you've got your batteries, so you can put batteries in here. If you do that though, you'd have to turn it off with the on-off switch on the back, otherwise, because I think I've got a feeling this might drain your batteries. But you can put batteries in there, and it will run on batteries, which is quite surprising actually for AA. And it's usually on clock radios, the batteries would normally be for backup. And like I said, you've got a headphone socket back here, which is really useful actually, because I know a lot of clock radios out there don't have headphone sockets. I'm sure many people might find that annoying because they might want to listen to music without disturbing other people. So I love that this has a headphone socket. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Like I said, really good, and really good sound quality, and a really good alarm, and really good sound quality for the radio as well. I'll just give you another quick example of what it sounds like. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope everybody enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on push notifications. And as always, see you all very soon.